Today I want to show you one of the most consistent and successful trading patterns that have been around for years. Let's introduce the Ross Hook formation and the free Ross Hook pattern indicator. This indicator and the knowledge about how to use it will take your trend trading to the next level. The Ross Hook pattern is a trading strategy that is based on the 1, 2, 3 pattern. And this is all 100% based on price action. Every single trader out there can understand and implement this pattern into your trading. This pattern is a trend continuation setup that helps you identify when the trend will continue. This indicator can be accessed completely free. Go to our Tradingview profile, I leave the link in the description below, and make sure to add the script to your favorites. That is how you access this pattern indicator on Tradingview.